this year we've had some wins, and this year we've had some losses. There has been many triumphs, and there have been tragedies. But now it's time for the big day. Yes. No, not that kind of big day. I'm talking about the Super Bowl. Now, I was invited to participate in a virtual Super Bowl party, and I have decided to bring a quick, easy, and cheap decoration. I'm going to do a tablecloth, and I started off at the Dollar Tree. I got this green tablecloth for $1, and the duct tape was also $1. You will need 2 rolls of duct tape though, because I did run out and need a couple extra yards. Luckily I had some around the house. Next thing I did was I went and I printed up some pictures off of the internet on the computer. I don't know who's going to be in the finale yet, so I just went ahead and printed the NFL ones up for you. The second thing I did is you can see the lines actually in the tablecloth themselves represented a great pattern. Now if you do this on a different table or a different size table, then you're going to want to adjust your measurements. But so I just cut these lines. My daughter helped me place them on. She was on one side of the table, I was on the other side of the table. We just dropped it down. We used the crease in the tablecloth as a guide and put each one of these down. Quick and easy. One of the things that I did was I did tape the tablecloth to the table to make it easier. If you have not put away some of your Christmas stuff and you have a Christmas vinyl tablecloth left over, you can always use that. This is also nice because at the end of the day, you can just take this off the table, roll it up, and throw it away. Easy cleanup also. So here we've got our pattern. So I think you can see what we're trying to do here. I also had some of these letters lying around, but again, you would get these at the dollar store. You'll want to buy 2 packs because they only come with 5 zeros in them. So you're going to need the extra zeros from the other pack. I used what I had at home. That's why some of them look a little smaller. And again, I got Team Nixter going, woohoo, because I didn't know who was involved. Now, again, I said this was a collaboration, so I wanted to make sure to please go down and look into the description and go see all the other videos that were involved in this because they have lots of great tasty recipes and fun things for game day. This was just my little input into the day, and I was very happy to be invited by Wendi from Happiness and Sweet Tea, and it was great to see everyone. Go out and have a great, fun game day.